Sa kanyang first ever professional stint abroad, garantisado na ang silver medal finish para sa ating kababayang si Alyssa Solomon. Yan ay matapos muling makabalik sa finals ng Japan SV League ang kinabibilangan niyang team na Osaka Marvelous. Winalis lang naman ng defending champ ang ranked number 1 team at regular season champions na NEC Red Rockets Kawasaki sa kanilang best of 3 semi-final series. Total dominance ang ipinakita ng Marvelous laban sa heavy favorite team na wala man lang na ipanalong set out of 2 games. Nalimitahan nga to just only 10 points ang kanilang main gunner na si Yoshino Sato in their second game. 26 points naman ang scoring production ng kanilang import na si Sylvia Chinelo Nuacalor. Yun nga lang, halos isang set ang ipinamigay na puntos ng NEC after committing 24 unforced errors, kaya naman hindi na nahirapan pa ang Osaka Marvelous. Hindi naman napigilang maiyak ng Japan national team open hitter na si Yoshino Sato after their disappointing loss, lalo pat nakatakda na itong lumipat sa Italian League after her stint with Red Rockets. Teary-eyed din maging ang Italy-bound opposite hitter na si Yukiko Wada na naging limitado lamang ang playing time. Ang last year's finals MVP na si Mizuki Tanaka ang hinirang na player of the match with 14 points. Hindi naman kabilang sa inilabas na lineup ng Osaka Marvelous ngayong semifinals si Alyssa Solomon, ngunit kasama pa rin naman ito sa bench ng team. Sa kasalukuyan, meron ng 147 points si Solomon kung saan siya ay nakapaglaro ng 30 out of 48 games. Last month nang inanunsyo ng Osaka Marvelous ang mga aalis na players sa team kung saan kabilang nga si Alyssa Solomon. Nagpasalamat naman si Alyssa sa kanyang mga taga-suporta throughout her Japan journey. And she quote, "As I approach the end my journey with Osaka Marvelous, I would like to sincerely thank everyone for the support throughout this season. This journey has been especially meaningful to me as it marks my first experience playing professionally and a big step in my career. It wasn't an easy decision, but it turned into one of the most rewarding chapters of my life. I am truly grateful for everything I've learned and for the moments shared with my teammates, coaches, and fans. Let's make this final stretch of the season special, and I hope you continue to support the team until the very end. As the season draws to a close, I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who has supported me throughout the season. My time with the Osaka Marvelous has been very meaningful to me because it was a major step in my career as it was my first time playing professionally. It wasn't an easy decision to play professionally in Japan, but it has become one of the most rewarding chapters of my life. I am truly grateful for everything I have learned and for the time I have shared with my teammates, coaches, and fans. Please continue to support the team until the very end so that we can finish the season in a special way." Bago si Solomon, nauna nang umukit ng kasaysayan ang isa pang former NU Bulldogs standout na si Sachi Minowa nang makuha nito ang kanyang first ever gold medal with Osaka Marvelous during the last season ng SV League. Si Minowa ay lumipat sa Denso Eribis this season and unfortunately, hindi sila pinalad na makapasok sa quarterfinals. After this, magiging free agent pareho si Solomon at Minowa. Sa ngayon, hindi pa tiyak kung saan at anong club team lilipat ang dalawa.